Are you accidentally cutting your cat's life short every time you fill their bowl? Sitting at the dinner table eating food while feeling a heavy burning stare is an experience you likely know all too well. You look down and your cat is staring up at you with those huge, demanding, unblinking eyes, pacing over to their empty food bowl like they haven't been fed in a single week. You know they need to lose weight because your vet explicitly told you they were getting a little too round. So, you did the responsible thing and cut back on their dry kibble, but now their bowl looks completely empty and your cat is acting like they are starving to death. The guilt is overwhelming, isn't it? You love them so much, and the very last thing in the world you want to do is make your feline companion go hungry, so you give in, adding an extra scoop of kibble or passing them a piece of chicken from the table just to see them purr again. Well, what if you never have to choose between keeping your cat healthy and making them go hungry ever again? What if there is a proven veterinary secret to melting away your cat's belly fat that actually lets them eat a massive, completely full bowl of food every single day? Welcome to Feline Mind, your ultimate guide to understanding the feline brain and body. Today, you are going to learn how to handle one of the most difficult topics in feline health, cat weight loss. Over 50% of the cats seen in veterinary clinics are overweight or obese, and every single day cat parents face the agonizing feeling that they are starving their pets. Starvation is the absolute wrong way to help a cat lose weight. Today, you are getting a complete masterclass on feline metabolism, kitchen hacks, and guilt-free weight loss. You are going to learn exactly how to bulk up your cat's meals, shut off their hunger signals naturally, completely change how you use treats, and add years to their life, all without them ever feeling deprived. Put the guilt away, because by the end of this video, you are going to have a perfect vet-approved action plan to safely slim down your feline friend. Hit that subscribe button right now to join this amazing community of educated cat parents on Feline Mind, and let's dive right into the solution. Before fixing the problem, you have to find out if your cat actually has a weight issue. In veterinary medicine, professionals do not just rely on the number on the scale because different cats carry weight differently. Instead, they use the body condition score, which is a scale from 1 to 9, with 1 being dangerously emaciated and 9 being morbidly obese. A perfectly healthy lean cat sits right at a 4 or a 5 on that scale. You can do this exact veterinary test at home right now by placing both of your hands gently on the sides of their rib cage, right behind their front legs. Gently run your flat hands back and forth across their sides. Make a fist with your own hand and run your other hand over your knuckles. If your cat's ribs feel sharp and bumpy like those hard knuckles, your cat is too thin. Now, open your hand so it is flat and feel the back of your hand where your fingers meet your palm. You can feel the bones easily, but there is a smooth, slight layer of tissue over them. That is what a perfect, healthy cat's ribs should feel like. Now turn your hand over and feel the fleshy, thick base of your palm right near your thumb. If you run your hands along your cat's sides and it feels like a thick, squishy mattress where you have to physically press your fingers inward to find the ribs, your cat is officially overweight. If your cat failed this rib test today, please do not beat yourself up. But you do need to understand the true biological stakes. To a human being, gaining 1 or 2 pounds feels like nothing, but it is a catastrophic biological mistake for a small animal. An average domestic cat might weigh around 10 pounds, meaning if they gain just 2 extra pounds, that is a 20% increase in their total body weight. For a human who weighs 150 pounds, a 20% increase is 30 pounds of pure fat suddenly strapped to their chest and legs. Veterinary data show that cats kept lean through strict portion control live significantly longer than overweight cats, often gaining multiple extra years. Every time you overfeed them out of love, you are actually slowly stealing days away from their lifespan. The fat inside their body isn't just extra padding. It is an active toxic organ that pumps massive amounts of chronic systemic inflammation into their bloodstream, stressing their heart, their liver, and their kidneys. This excess weight crashes down on their joints every time they jump, leading to crippling, painful arthritis that limits their mobility. Heavy fat deposits around the chest also mean your cat literally has to fight to take a deep breath. Furthermore, this chronic inflammation directly triggers feline diabetes and hepatic lipidosis, a life-threatening fatty liver disease that happens when an overweight cat suddenly stops eating. The beautiful news is that feline weight loss is entirely in your control, since they only eat exactly what you put into their bowl. To understand why your cat acts like they are starving when you cut their kibble back, you have to look at the biology of a cat's stomach. Inside your cat's stomach, there are microscopic sensors called stretch receptors. When your cat eats a meal, the food physically expands the stomach walls, firing off a signal to your cat's brain that says the stomach is full. The problem with commercial dry cat kibble is that it is incredibly calorie-dense because all the water has been sucked out of it during manufacturing. So if you take away 20% or 30% of their kibble to put them on a diet, the tiny amount of food left in the bowl barely fills up their stomach, meaning the stretch receptors never get triggered. You should never, ever just cut their food portion in half because cat food is mathematically formulated so that your cat gets 100% of their daily required vitamins, minerals, and essential taurine in a specific volume of food. If you suddenly cut that volume drastically, you are starving them of essential nutrients. This is where you use the magic of volume eating. Since cats are obligate carnivores, they process meat-based moisture much better than vegetables. Your premier veterinary secret for feline weight loss is transitioning a portion of their diet to high-protein, low-calorie wet food which is naturally up to 80% water. Reduce your cat's daily dry kibble by 15%, and to make up for that lost volume, add a generous portion of plain, moisture-rich wet food or plain unflavored bone broth formulated for cat directly into their bowl. The moisture expands and stretches the stomach walls, sending the full signal to the brain, so your cat will walk away feeling completely satisfied without even realizing they are on a diet. You can also use a small teaspoon of 100% pure canned pumpkin puree, which is rich in soluble fiber, digests slowly, and keeps your cat feeling full for hours between meals. But you must avoid a critical accidental mistake, the measuring cup trap. If you are like most cat owners, you are probably using an old coffee mug, a plastic drinking cup, or you are just eyeballing it. If you want your cat to live a long, lean life, throw that random cup in the trash. A standard cup of cat food on a nutritional label strictly means 1 8-ounce leveled baking measuring cup. When you feed your cat using a random large cup, you are easily doubling their required calories, which is the #1 reason cats become severely obese. Furthermore, feeding guidelines printed on the back of commercial pet food bags are often calculated for highly active, unspayed, or unneutered animals. If your cat spends 90% of their day sleeping on the cat tree, their metabolism is significantly slower, meaning they usually need about 20% to 25% less food than what the side of the bag tells you. Always feed them for the weight they should be, not the fat weight they are right now, and then use wet food or moisture to fill the rest of that bowl so they don't cry from hunger. We also need to talk about kitchen sabotage, otherwise known as treats. A cat's brain does not understand size or volume when it comes to a reward. They only understand the event of receiving it. If you give a cat a tiny piece of freeze, dried meat the size of a pea or a piece the size of a whole cracker, their brain registers the exact same amount of joy. Many commercial cat treats are packed with carbohydrates and fats, meaning you are unknowingly stuffing them with hidden calories. To treat them without destroying their diet, break, soft, or freeze dried treats into 4 tiny pieces, giving you 4 events of joy with only a fraction of the calories. You can also use single ingredient freeze dried chicken breast or salmon flakes broken into tiny bits, which contain virtually no fat. For households with multiple people, implement the treat jar allowance. Take a small jar every morning, put a specific, pre-measured amount of low-calorie treats into it, and tell the family they can only feed the cat from this jar. When the jar is empty, the daily treat budget is completely done. If you are managing the calories coming in, you also have to manage the calories going out. If your cat's movement consists of walking 10 feet to a sunbeam and sleeping for hours, their heart rate is not elevating. To burn belly fat, dedicate 15 to 20 minutes a day to active play, using a feather wand or a laser pointer to get them into a brisk chase. Remember to keep exercise engaging but controlled so you don't stress their joints. Mental stimulation is also incredibly exhausting for a cat because the brain burns massive amounts of calories. Instead of dumping their dinner into a standard bowl, use a puzzle feeder or take a clean muffin tin and scatter their kibble inside the cups so they have to scoop it out with their paws. Making your cat use their predatory instincts to hunt and problem solve for 20 minutes actually raises their heart rate and wears them out beautifully, completely preventing them from acting hungry or bored right after dinner time. Sometimes your cat's weight gain is caused by hidden medical conditions that make weight loss physically impossible until they are treated. If you are doing everything right and seeing 0 results, a simple routine blood panel at your vet can check for underlying metabolic issues and give you the answers you need. When you implement these changes, please do it slowly. If you drastically starve a cat overnight, you can trigger hepatic lipidosis, which is a severe liver crisis unique to felines when their bodies mobilize fat too quickly. Safe weight loss in cats is exceptionally slow, with the absolute maximum safe rate being about 1% of their total body weight per week. Start tomorrow morning by removing just 10% of their kibble and replacing that volume with a splash of bone broth or a spoonful of wet food, letting their system adapt beautifully. You now hold the exact blueprint to save your cat's joints from arthritis, protect their organs, and most importantly, buy them extra years of life to spend by your side. Every time you swap a high-calorie treat for a low-calorie one, you are loving them in the most profound, life-saving way possible. You should be proud of yourself for taking the time to educate yourself on feline health, here on Feline Mind. If this guide gave you a realistic plan to help your feline companion, please hit that like button to help the algorithm share these safe, veterinary-approved insights with other cat parents who need them. Let's keep our cats healthy, happy, and thriving together.